I'm going to show you real quick how to figure out which one of the domain tests you have already completed and then which ones that you might still need to do. So I'm logged in as a sample student right now in USA Test Prep, so you may or may not see things that look like this, but it's as close as I can get. What you're going to do is on your home page, click Graded Work. When you click on Graded Work, you can view all results, view your assignments, or view my practice. I'm under View All Results right now, and that's fine. So it'll list your activity with the date that you completed it, which class you completed it for, and then your score. I have a bunch of zeros. You can see those right here because I literally opened the domain test and clicked through it and closed out of it. I didn't actually take it. But you should be able to see 4 tests that say Algebra 1. You'll see one for expressions, equations, functions, and interpreting categorical and quantitative data. You should see these 4 things underneath your graded work if you completed all 4 domain tests. If you're missing one of those, then you need to go to EOC Algebra 1, and then the domain tests are right here. So here's equations. You can click on that and take that one. Expressions, functions, and then data is the very last one. Once you take those tests, you'll end up with a bunch of colored dots. All of mine are pink because I literally just, I got a 0 on all of them. So it says, hey, you need a lot of help with your math. And then if you want to practice, you'll click on whatever dot you want to practice. You can watch videos, vocab, answer extra practice questions. You can do puzzles as well. That would be fine. If you want to try to figure out how much time you have been practicing, you can click on Home again and then Graded Work. And then you would click on, you can view all results, that's fine. You can also do View My Practice, it doesn't really matter. View My Practice just takes out your interim assessments and anything that has been assigned to you by one of your teachers. The stuff that we're doing for EOC review is not going to show up under your assignments list, so View My Practice is going to be, it kind of cleans up your list a little bit. And so right here you can see that I spent 3 seconds on this test, 4 seconds on this one, 7 seconds on this one, and 20 seconds on this one. So if you kind of want to get a picture of how long you've spent on stuff, you can add up your times. So this would be a total of 34 seconds that I've spent practicing under the sample account. Remember that your goal is to get 5 hours worth of practice time in. So all I've done under this sample account is the domain tests. If you go back when you click on the dots and do like videos and extra practice questions, that all counts towards your time, and it'll show up here underneath View My Practice. And then you can kind of see what your times are looking like to see how on track you are for that 5-hour goal. You need to have your 5 hours done by May 5th.